Now see here the Earth's magnetism. Earth's magnetism means here we are going to study actually about the magnetic field of the Earth. So now see here the Earth has magnet. We can verify it by taking the magnetic compass or the magnetic needle, or even by suspending the bar magnet. So if you consider here the Earth like this is here, and now when the Earth is here and it is rotating about this axis, this is here called geographic north and this is called geographic south. So these two are the true north and true south. And now if you take a bar magnet and suspend with the help of the thread, it is freely suspended, then the bar magnet aligns in this direction here. There is the north pole of the bar magnet, this is the south pole of the bar magnet. Why does it align in this situation or in this position? Now we have to see here. So this axis is here which is passing through this bar magnet is known as magnetic axis. So this we call it magnetic axis and this we call it here geographic axis. Now this is known as the magnetic north, or you can say the north direction shown by the bar magnet and the magnetic compass. This is known as SM, that is called magnetic south. This is the south direction shown by the magnetic compass. But what does it align is here? What is the cause of the Earth's magnetic field? Now this we have to study here. So see here, suppose you have got the Earth like this. It is assumed that Earth has got a big giant bar magnet inside it like this, whose south pole is to this side and north pole is to this side. But there is no actual or the clear theory about that why the Earth has magnetic field. It means where the suspended bar magnet has got its north pole, below it there is a south pole of the Earth's magnet, which is big giant magnet assumed to be inside the Earth, and wherever is the south pole of the suspended bar magnet, there is the north pole of the Earth's magnet inside the Earth here. So this is the magnetic axis, but these two axes are here inclined at an angle here 11.3 degree here. This one, they are intersecting at this point. So now we have seen the cause of the Earth's magnetic field. One theory is here where it is assumed that there is a big or the giant magnet inside the Earth, but this is not very much clear. So there is another theory also about this. There is a molten material inside the Earth or inside the outer core of the Earth which keeps on circulating. So due to this circulation of this magnetic materials, there is a current, and that fluid or that current creates actually magnetic field. Because of that, Earth has got magnetic field. This is also known as here the dynamo effect. So here we have seen the causes of the Earth's magnetic field and the direction shown by the suspended bar magnet. Now if you take a plane which is perpendicular to the geographic axis and drawn like this, this is called geographic equator. And also if you draw a plane by taking the magnetic axis perpendicular to this one magnetic axis, that is called magnetic equator. So now we will be discussing the different parameters which determines the magnetic field of the Earth.